of hard to tell. You may not be able to hear me because the wind's blowing so hard. It's blowing at maybe 40 miles an hour, maybe 45. I'm having to really lean into the wind. Now I'm headed right onto the wind. That's why it sounds so loud, looking right at the wind. And you can see the sand blowing down the dunes. There's a thunderstorm. It's actually a relatively small one that's out there on the side. The winds are here. There's a cold front coming through, or warm front or something. Pretty amazing. Well, that's it for me. I'm headed back in now.